Have you ever heard about Microsoft's Power BI? It is the program responsible for creating those analysis and decision dashboards you are seeing on your screen. Imagine being able to make decisions in your company based on reliable, up-to-date, and fully interactive data charts that can be available on any of your devices. Are you curious? So, welcome to the presentation of our Power BI course, brought to you by MLF. Power BI is a business intelligence tool, aimed at decision-making, and suited for all hierarchical levels of the organization. It provides interactive means for data analysis, data visualization, cross-checking, and information sharing. All of that with absolute control over who may, or may not, have access to these features. It allows the connection to almost any kind of data source. Imagine being able to connect to more than 80 types of sources such as database, spreadsheets, text files, social networks, cloud storage services, messaging services, and, with them, generate fully interactive dashboards and reports, which can be updated in real time. Power BI is a tool which came from the mixing of the three main Excel Power add-ins: Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Among the features of Power BI, we can highlight Power Query, used for acquiring data. This process is known as ETL, which means extract, transform, and load. The Power Query editor offers several drag-and-drop tools to prepare data for analysis. It has a specific development language called M, which is very versatile and will give the user the needed autonomy to generate strategic business information. Power Pivot, responsible for creating measures, or, in other words, the common calculations used for data analysis. This is accomplished by using data analysis expressions from the DAX programming language. Any user with a good Excel background will be able to notice the similarities between DAX functions and Excel functions, and harness power of data analysis for creating contextual measures for columns, and iterations for rows, and building professional solutions for decision-making. Power View. After loading and transforming the data, Power BI will make it easy to create data visualization reports. There are dozens of options available in the tool itself, and several others that can be downloaded from Microsoft Store. Macro indicators, data analysis by geolocation, details of the company's operation, all of that can be controlled and made available to decision makers. On top of that, security control assures that only users having the appropriate access level will be able to view and interact with any dashboard or report. Now, a little disclaimer. To use all the sharing and security features, a Power BI Pro subscription is required. The creation tool, Power BI Desktop, on the other hand, is 100% free. If you want more information, consulting, or training regarding the Power BI, please contact MLF's commercial department by email or phone. Thank you.